What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. I hope you're staying positive. I hope you're staying healthy. I hope you're staying safe. Today, we are making some breakfast muffins. Let's get started. All right, so you might have some leftovers in your fridge, like for example, some rice. I'm using these chicken wieners. You can use whatever you want, but this is a really simple breakfast muffin recipe that you can quickly put together. So we're gonna start with the eggs. Just crack those on the table. Okay, the eggs are done. So now I'm going to add in the seasonings as well as the milk and just whip those together. Done. Add the rice and the chopped wieners. You can add other stuff in here as well, like broccoli if you wanted to. Cuts of carrots, red bell peppers for some color. That'd be really cool. And as usual, before I started, I set the oven to 350 degrees, so that is preheating right now. All right, so I'm just gonna add these to the muffin tray. Scoop them out. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get 4 to 5, just looking here. All right, the oven has just gone off and it is time to put these into the oven. Like I said, set to 350 degrees Celsius. And they're gonna sit there for about 30-35 minutes, closer to 35 minutes. Okay. And there you have it, done. Some very simple, quick, and easy to make breakfast muffins for you from your fridge. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait for these to cool down. So while I'm doing that, please remember to stay safe, stay home, and stay positive. And I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.